Hi, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will discuss with you about the very important tool for ABAPer, Code Inspector. So let's start. Code Inspector tool is used to analyze ABAP program during its design time. In last video tutorial, we have discussed about the extended program check. All the features of extended program checks are present in Code Inspector, plus it can perform programming standard and naming convention checks, performance checks, and security checks. The T code for Code Inspector is SCI. The Code Inspector is also integrated into various development environment transactions such as AC80, AC38, AC37, AC24 and AC11. In extended program check, we can perform check on single object, but in Code Inspector, you can perform checks on single objects, set of objects, and even on transport request. Like the extended program check output, as a result of Code Inspector, you receive information, warning, and error messages about the different properties of examined objects. Code Inspector comprises of three elements: check variant, object set, and inspection. In check variants, you can define the individual checks that you want to perform on objects. In object set, you can determine the objects to be checked. Inspection simply links the checks to be performed in check variant with the objects present in object set. Code Inspector elements, inspection, object set, and check variants can be available either globally or locally. This icon here makes the particular element as a local, and this icon here make the particular element as a global element. If these elements are local, then these elements can be used or changed by their owners. If these elements are global, then they can be used or modified by every user. After writing ABAP program, it's a SAP standard practice to use Code Inspector tool to check the quality of our written code. Here I have covered all the necessary theory related to Code Inspector tool. In next video, we will see how to use Code Inspector tool on ABAP code. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.